What if I told you that the most misunderstood zodiac sign also has one of the most powerful minds in astrology? A mind that never sleeps. A mind that sees patterns others miss. A mind that can talk, think, analyze, adapt, and evolve, all at the same time. Today, we're revealing the real truth behind Gemini. Not the stereotypes, not the myths, but the hidden mental power that makes Gemini one of the most intelligent zodiac signs. Who is Gemini really? Gemini is ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication, intelligence, learning, and speed. This alone explains why Gemini minds work faster than most. Gemini is an air sign, meaning they live in the world of ideas, thoughts, conversations, and possibilities. Their symbol, the twins, does not mean fake or two-faced. It means dual awareness. Geminis can see two sides of every story, multiple outcomes at once, different perspectives simultaneously. This is mental flexibility, not confusion. The Gemini brain, fast, sharp, unstoppable. A Gemini mind is like a high-speed processor. They absorb information quickly, connect unrelated ideas effortlessly, learn faster than average, get bored when things are too slow or repetitive. Geminis are mental explorers. They crave new information, new conversations, new experiences. This is why Gemini often excels in writing, speaking, media, teaching, marketing, journalism, technology, sales, entertainment. Their brain thrives on stimulation. Why Geminis are master communicators. Gemini doesn't just talk. Gemini translates thoughts into words with precision. They know what to say, when to say it, how to adjust their message for different people. Geminis can walk into a room full of strangers and leave with connections. This is because Mercury gives them verbal intelligence, social intelligence, emotional reading skills. They can sense tone, mood, and energy instantly. The dark side of a powerful Gemini mind. Every powerful mind has challenges. For Gemini, overthinking, mental restlessness, difficulty focusing on one thing, fear of boredom, starting many things but finishing few. Their mind moves so fast that emotions sometimes lag behind. Gemini doesn't lack depth. They just process depth mentally first, emotionally later. Why people misunderstand Gemini. People say Gemini is inconsistent, unstable, fake. But the truth is simpler. Gemini evolves quickly. What was true for them last month may not fit today. They don't change to deceive. They change because they learn. A Gemini who stops evolving feels trapped, and that's when they lose their spark. Gemini in relationships. Geminis need mental connection, conversation, humor, freedom. They fall in love through the mind first. If you stimulate a Gemini intellectually, they stay loyal. If you bore them, they detach silently. They are playful lovers, curious partners, and emotionally intelligent when understood. Famous traits of powerful Geminis. Many influential thinkers, speakers, and entertainers are Geminis because they think fast, speak boldly, adapt quickly, influence minds. Gemini energy thrives in chaotic, changing environments.